It's time for second part of the Yamaha R15 project. It's so good to have you back to watch the show. For those who miss out on the first episode, feel free to click the link. This video is mainly what new part we choose for the bike.
And welding frame and metal part back to shape.
Let's get to it.
I am now standing in front of the manufacturer of this racing machine. The key is to make these modern badass fairing into a retro, classic looking one. Fingers crossed.
Meanwhile, we just received all those brand new parts. Frame slider. Headlight. Signal. More headlight. Bar end mirror. Stock handlebar. Brake lever. Throttle. Foot peg.
This is the original seat, but it got a hole on its leather because it contacted the tarmac after the crash, I guess. Later both seat and tail parts should fit. In that case it has to be shorter.
This bike fell on its side.
The force knocked it in.
It will take less effort to pull it back if it's heated.
That's the same thing we did earlier. Focus the heat so they bend at these curves. Remember the header was broken? It got welded back.
New resist plastic will replace the wrecked, but first there are some changes to adapt the new part.
This is the headlights bracket. It got cut open because it's twisted and shoved. Later will be lined up and welded back. cut out the extra edges. Front body part is not new, in fact it got scratches and a crack.
Trash!
The paint's supposed to stop the corrosion, but they got burned off by torch. So we make sure if any places were missed.
Ay, 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 ay.
Next, are the new bracket being forged. Now that is a true display of craftsmanship. With a little help from gauge, the craftsman relies feelings and eye measuring.
你看哦，平平水土我的土地哦，2、3度，它都要向我水。啊，你知哦？
Still a lot of works to do, but still got to rest for the upcoming day.
The cooling liquid skin is having a guard to reflect any rock attack. But right now it looks like a part from a Mad Max Cinemas vehicle. Much better after sanding and paint.
What you are looking at is a frame that is just welded, so the tailpiece can lay on it. We are getting ever closer to the final achievement. A pair of extend to secure the tailpiece.
That's a bunch of progress after returned from the welding workshop. After that, the bike is ready to install these electrical stuff. But unfortunately the file has been missing, so we can only see a few footage. Welded tail lights wire.
What I'm holding is a braking sensor. The reason to wire a positive electrode through braking sensor is to install USB charger. Its negative electrode is simple to set up. Just find a bolt that has direct contact any metal part and secure it, so it flows back. Here I find a bolt currently holds the horn, and it works fine.
My personal experience tells me that inside this fuse case, contact surface get blocked by rust, follow with malfunction, but it's easy to solve. Scrape it like this will work. That's it for this episode. Thank you for watching.